Good morning, students. Now continue our chapter 7, birds and their nest. Yesterday we have discussed some nest. Now continue the same topic of different type of the nest of different birds. Here, in summer season, you must have heard tuk tuk sound coming from the tree trunk. It is a barbet. Barbet and woodpecker make their nest in the hole of tree trunk. Barbet, another name is the copper semith, who make its nest in the hole of tree trunk. Next one, sunbird. Sunbird is a very unique and its nest making skill, and it make a nest that hangs from the branch of a tree or a bushes. It is uses plant fiber, grass, spider web and feathers for making its nest. Who usually build the nest? Yes, of course, the female build the nest, but sometimes the males help to the female. It is in the case of the weaver bird. In case of the weaver bird, it is the male who weaves the nest, and the male bird weave the nest beautifully in the different shapes, and the choice given to the female bird. The female bird chooses a nest where she feels most comfortable, and this nest is used by female to laying their eggs. Woven nest. Another name of the weaver bird nest is the woven nest. Some birds are very skillful at weaving nest. They use grass or reed to weave complex nest. The reed warbler is a bird that weaves its nest and attach it to reed stems. For example is the weaver bird. Next one is the penguin. Penguin, you already know that, live in very cold places, and it is difficult to find the twig, grasses or straw in such places. So penguin collect some stones and pebbles to make their nest. Question arising: what is the importance of nest for birds? My dear, birds first make a nest, then lay the eggs to raise their young ones in the nest. During the process of laying eggs and raising the young ones, birds have to protect the young ones from the various animals like cat, rat and other large birds. At times, some birds also break the nest of the birds, and birds have a challenging job to protect their eggs and young ones. So, we should never disturb the birds or break their nest. We should love them and take care of them. Now, our next topic is migration in bird. You see in the picture, there are some birds that are migrate. Migrate means moving from one place to another place. Sometimes birds live in very cold region, but it is difficult to find the food and to tolerate very high low temperature for of these regions in winter. So they fly to warmer area during the winter. This is called the migration. Why do birds migrate? Birds migrate more food, to disperse their own breed to different regions, to protect their babies, to get away from predators, to avoid disease, warmer and colder climates. Birds like Siberian crane, painted stork, flamingo, rosy pelican and many other migrate to India in winter from the different cold parts of the world, and they fly back to their cooler homes when summer starts. Now, dear students, it is our chapter of birds and their nest, and tomorrow we will meet again the back exercise of this chapter. Thank you so much.